For a second?
No, you're good.
Okay. Do you want to see the queen?
Sure.
Yeah.
Show the queen to the camera.
So the queen's got some company in there.
So she's the one with the blue dot. She's the one with the blue dot.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of see a blue dot moving around.
There you go.
It's like
Crazy.
Oh, you know what? It's funny. I saw
She's like, let me out. Okay, we're good. So the screen is going to go face down.
Assistant. Hi. I should not be this close. Okay, I'm backing up.
Okay, I'm going to do the down now. Are we ready?
Yep.
You got that?
Woo! Go, girl.
Here goes.
I'm nervous. Got this.
Come on, you already beat the hard part.
Yeah, we found the queen, and she's not dead. And there's candy for everyone.
God, we say
You gonna? Do you want to sugar water them again? You gotta.
What?
Don't you gotta bang them to the bottom and then sugar water them one more?
Give them a little sugar water. You're good. Idea. Good idea.
'Cause they're all over.
They're kind of chilling though.
they're just happy. They're like, thank you, we're so thirsty. So that's just the shipping container, right?
Imagine some FedEx guy doesn't know and he's like throwing the boxes around in the back of the truck. Suddenly a swarm of bees. Oh boy, bees, bees, bees.
Holy cow.
Lots of bees. Be afraid. Be very afraid.
No.
No.
I'm so proud of you right now.
Samesies.
Do it.
You're a beekeeper.
You just dump them in.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. I'm so impressed with you. You're my new hero.
Oh my gosh.
So many of them over here. They just want to be near each other. And you
Oh my god.
have to.
Oh my gosh.
Holy shit.
I think that might be the best I can do, but
And just let the rest kind of.
I don't know.
I want to get up there. Hold on.
Yeah, they're girls. It looks really cool, Daly. You gotta see it from the top. Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this here. And you guys are gonna find your way home. It's right there.
Do you spray them more or no?
Nope.
Oh.
Very slowly. Put all these parts out. Oh, can somebody do me a really big favor? There's a bee brush somewhere.
Oh, I saw it.
Probably on that
The
table.
yellow
It's got a yellow.
Because they're coming out.
This looks so crazy. It's like a
Here,
horror
hold
movie.
it. Grab it and then hold it and just film it like right into it.
Wow.
The bugs.
That's
Here you go.
bonkers.
No people were stung in the making of this film.
Shh, shh, knock on wood. Need a bee brush. Brush them bees, girl. Come on. Like, these strings are stupid. Kristen's got the bee brush. Thank you to the rescue. Thank you. That way.
Oh, that's helpful. Oh, look, you just go.
Get in there. Get in there, little bee buddies.
Oh, they're so cute.
Thank you.
They're like climbing up and going.
Oops, they following. Oh, it's so pretty.
They all speak like Marilyn.
Do your bee impression again.
Oh, oh, I just fell in. Oh, it's so perfect. Oh,
What's up?
I forgot to call Laura.
To come over and see the bees.
Yeah.
She'll see the video.
They'll be here.
We'll have an IMAX release for this.
Okay.
I wish I could show just how many bees are swarming around you.
You're being so good to them. Like you're like trying not to smush.
There's a lot.
You're like, oh sorry, I won't smush you.
They're all hanging out close by the hive though. They're anxious to see what's happening. They're free. They know it.
They're psyched to be in there. The ones on the wall are just pumped.
A new luxury 1-bedroom.
Oh yeah?
Well, there's actually like 2 or 3 bedrooms, right?
I mean, compared to their fucking studio apartment.
You mean?
One bathroom.
Man, they're not going to know what hit them on 420. Boy. They'll be very sleepy. Yeah, they'll be like, wow, is it bright out here?
There's a bee inside my net.
Oops! I fell in.
Whoops. Oh,
Oops.
oh gosh, this makes me nervous.
You got it.
Oh, I get stung on the eyeball.
I got to walk away from these for a minute.
Oh wow.
They're having a harder